Tell us about yourself.
I'm Samrat. I'm an international student from India, currently pursuing Masters in Mechanical Engineering at University of Wollongong. I did my bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering and passed out with distinction. I was always fascinated about mechanical engineering since my teenage, especially for the automobile sector. I was always fascinated towards the manufacturing methods used in the automobile sector and also the materials we select for the better quality vehicles. So I've selected my major as mechanical engineering. I've completed a challenging internship with Tata Motors in the designing department where I was honored with the best intern. And I also have a holiday working experience in public relations firm. I developed my strong communication skills, problem solving skills, and interpersonal skills through these internships. I was honored by ability to deal with the conflicts among the team members. I and also to know the real world problems. I'm expected graduated from University of Wollongong with distinctions in the coming May. I'm eager to implement what I have learned in a practical and impactful manner.
Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
During my internship at public relations, during my summer internship at a public relation firm, a client suddenly wanted to change an entire campaign strategy 2 days just before the launch. The client was unhappy with the team's first draft, so we were tasked with redoing the entire plan. We organized a late night brainstorm that evening. After hours of work, I was asked to take the lead on putting together a new deck. This was challenging because it was my first time putting a deck together and also our one chance to make the client happy again. I overcame this challenge by looking at the previously successful presentations for the client, analyzing the feedback they gave on our initial presentation, and incorporating all the team's ideas into the new deck. The client was ultimately thrilled with the fresh plan and all of the new ideas were included.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in positive or productive outcome?
During my bachelor's project, we were participating in a go-kart competition. In that competition, over 100 teams were participated in, and we had to build a go-kart and take the vehicle to the competition to further run the test such as brake test, acceleration test, skid pad test. So initially, to be able to go to the further rounds, we need to clear the brake test. So we went for the brake test initially, and we were not successful in the first attempt. So we were given another chance. Then we came to the pit again, and we have seen that there was a technical difficulty in the engine. So we thoroughly analyzed the engine and other parts of the vehicle. So we finally got to know that there was a trouble with the spark plug in the engine that was worn out. So we had to replace the spark plug, but we didn't have enough time to buy a new one and change it then and there. So I somehow used my technical skills which I've developed during my mechanical engineering. So through the technical skills, I have somehow started the engine by fixing the spark plug. Then we successfully attempted the second brake test and we finally passed the test. Then we went on to the other test and finally we won the competition with a cash prize of $10,000.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, I do. The first question would be can you tell me more about what a person would be expected to do in this position? The second one is what is a typical day in the office like? The third question is what would be the immediate expectations from me? Fourth question is why are you looking for hiring someone in this position? Is it a new role? Thank you.